students, today we will discuss adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs means words which describe the action words. Words which describe action words or verbs are called as adverbs. We'll see some examples. First one, she runs fast. Runs is a verb. How does she run? She runs fast. So, fast is saying something about the verb runs. That is why this fast is an adverb. We'll take another example. They answered rudely. First you find out the verb here. Which is the verb? Answered. Answered is a verb. Verb means action word. Answered how? How did she answer? Rudely. So, rudely is telling something about answer. That is why rudely is an adverb. Next, she ate quickly. Which is the verb here? Ate is the verb here. Which is the word which is saying something about this ate. Quickly is the word which is saying something about ate. Means verb. That's why quickly is an adverb. So, adverbs are the words which say something about the verbs. Some people get confusions with adverbs and adjectives. Do you know what are adjectives? Let's see some examples. Adjectives are the words which describe nouns. Adverbs are the words which describe verbs. Adjectives are the words which describe nouns. Difference is there between verb and a noun. Understand the difference. Adverbs describe the verbs. Adjectives describe the nouns. First one. She is a beautiful girl. What type of a girl is she? She is a beautiful girl. Beautiful word is saying something about the noun. Noun means it's the name of a person, place, animal, thing, etc. So, beautiful word is saying something about the word girl. This word is called as an adjective. He is a famous person. Famous person. What kind of a person is he? He is a famous person. Person is a noun. Famous is an adjective. So, what is the difference between adverb and adjective? Adverb describes a verb. Adjective describes a noun. Are these clear? Now, we will see adverbs in detail. Usually, adverbs give answers for when, where, why, how much. If it gives answer for when, we will say adverb of time. If it gives answer for where, we will say adverb of place. If it gives answer for why, we will say adverb of reason. If it gives answer for how, we will say adverb of manner. We'll take some examples now. Time. She ate when? Yesterday. So, it gives answer for when. Second one. She ate where? She ate in a hotel. So, hotel is the place. So, it is giving answer for where. Next one. She ate yesterday in a hotel. Why? She ate because there was a party. Why? Because there was a party. So, it gives answer for why. Then, she ate. How? She ate quickly. So, quickly is an adverb. How much? She ate more. How much? She ate more. So, these words are adverbs. Yesterday, in a hotel, because there was a party, quickly, more. These words are called as adverbs. I hope you understood. Adverbs are the words which describe verbs and it gives answer for when, where, why, how much. We had discussed previously in the videos what is a word and what is a phrase. Do you remember? Word means one word. See, here if I write politely. Politely is a single word. So, he spoke politely. How did he speak? He spoke politely. Politely is giving answer for how did he speak. So, it's saying something about speak. Any word saying about a verb is an adverb. Now we will see adverb phrase. He spoke in a polite manner. This word can also be said as in a polite manner. Here we have more than one word. So we have group of words. These group of words are speaking about a verb. Group of words which describe a verb are called as adverbial phrases. We will take other examples. You can buy it anywhere. Buy where? Anywhere. So, anywhere is saying something about buy. Therefore, it is an adverb. This is a single word. Now we will see this sentence. You can buy it in any place. You can buy where? In any place. Group of words are there which is describing the verb buy. Therefore, this is called as an adverbial phrase. Is it clear between adverbial phrase and adverb? Now we will see what is an adverbial clause. Clause means one subject and one verb will be there. Clause always contains one subject and one verb. But phrase doesn't contain a subject and a verb. Phrase is a group of words without a subject and a verb. Clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. Here, he scored well is one sentence. This is called as independent clause. He scored well. Sentence is over. It doesn't depend on any sentence. Now if I go for, though he didn't go to school regularly. This sentence depends on this sentence. This sentence cannot stand on its own. That's why this sentence is called as dependent clause. Dependent clause. This sentence is called as independent clause. Adverbial clause always begins with some subordinating conjunctions. Do you remember we had discussed some subordinating conjunctions? Although, if, even though, since, then, as if, whenever, whoever, where, when, because, after, before. These words are called as subordinating conjunctions. In the sentence, he scored well though he didn't go to school regularly. He scored though he didn't go to school regularly. So, this clause is speaking something about this word scored. Scored is a verb and this is a clause. That's why this clause is speaking about the verb. This clause is called as adverbial clause.
We will do one thing now. We will do these exercises to understand adverbial clauses very well. First exercise, we need to underline adverbial clauses. Shall we do it? The first one. My aunt takes me to the children's library whenever she is in town. Can you find out the adverbial clause here? Whenever she is in town. She takes whenever she is in town. So this clause says something about take. That's why this is an adverbial clause. We'll go to the second one. We should be worried because the resources of the earth are depleting very quickly. We should be worried, which is a verb here. Worried. Because the resources of the earth are depleting very quickly. These words are saying something about worried. This clause is an adverbial clause. Third one. The people waited patiently until their leader arrived. Waited until their leader arrived. Until their leader arrived is an adverbial clause. If this neighborhood is noisy, you should shift to a quieter one. You have to remember the subordinate clauses to find out adverbial clauses. If this neighborhood is noisy is an adverbial clause. Fifth one. Rosie and Maya went to the market while I and John washed the dishes. While I and John washed the dishes. Sixth one. Since you're going to be late, you would better carry some food to eat. Find out the conjunction. Since. So, since you're going to be late is the adverbial clause. You would better carry some food to eat is an independent clause. Are you getting an idea about adverbial clauses? We'll go for the second exercise now. Select the right word to complete the adverbial clauses in the sentences below. First one. If you have finished your work, so if is a subordinating conjunction. If you have finished your work is an adverbial clause which is saying something about you may bring it to me. Bring is the verb. So it's saying something about bring. Second one. Although Paraz is a young boy, he is wise. So it's starting with the word although. So although Paraz is a young boy, he is the adverbial clause. He is wise. He is the dependent clause here. Now we'll go for the third one. He worked hard, which is the correct one, so that he could clear the entrance exam. Fourth one. Please do not speak before you are asked, which is the correct one. Before you are asked is the correct one. I'll show you the chart. Dash this class is over. After this class is over. Dash he was not there. I left a message with her sister. Since he was not there, I left a message with her sister. These are all subordinating conjunctions. A clause with a subordinating conjunction here is an adverbial clause. Seventh one. Dash I started late. Although I started late, I finished early.